to each other's eyes.
Hey everybody, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am standing in my new and improved utility room. I've just spent the last hour probably doing up the utility room. As you will see in just a moment, it was an absolute bomb site. I've been wanting to do it up for ages, tidy it up, sort it up, sort it out. And I really wanted to use the space because it used to be like a milk making station, and now Cooper doesn't need that anymore. So I really wanted to think about how I use the space. So basically I just empty the entire room and start fresh, and I am so happy with it. If you saw my B&M haul like a week or two ago, then you will have seen, I'll give you a little sneaky preview, these. So you'll finally see me using them in action and how I am going to use them in the utility. But yeah, I'm going to stop banging on now and just let you watch it, because that's obviously what you want to see. Obviously this is my latest Motivation Monday video as well. Happy Monday if you're watching this on a Monday. Motivation Monday videos obviously get uploaded on a Monday, but you can watch it any day of the week. So I hope this video gets you feeling good and motivated for the week ahead. I'm certainly feeling motivated after doing this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Lots of similar videos coming your way. And yeah, enjoy guys. Let's go. Let's reset the utility room. Okay, so as I said, it is a real mess in here. It's just become a bit of a dumping ground, just full of random stuff that I've dumped here, and obviously Cooper's milk machine, which he no longer needs. So the first thing I'm going to do is just completely clear this space. I'm going to get rid of the Perfect Prep machine. I'm going to tidy up all of the stuff that's just been dumped here and find permanent homes for all of it.
And I just want to tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go.
Now the space is clear, I'm going to spray it down with some surface cleaner and give it a good wipe. It's a bit dusty in here. You may have noticed the wall behind me is a bit plastered and needs painting. Basically, we've had some work done in the room here that I'll reveal on another day, but it means that everywhere's quite dusty. So I'm going to give it all a really good wipe.
When you saw her in that dress, when your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Upside down, I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, sprinkle one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume.
Okay, the first thing I'm going to put in is my lovely new fruit and veg storage. I'm going to link this in the description box. This was an Amazon find and I'm so thrilled with it. I've been wanting somewhere to store my fruit and veg, so this is perfect. And now I'm going to start filling my jars. So these jars are all from B&M, different shapes and sizes, but I'm going to use them to fill with lots of different laundry things. So this tall one is going to have my laundry tabs, which I'm going to put in like this. This small one here I'm going to fill with stain powder. love the shape of this large one here. I'm going to fill this one with my favourite fabric softener, which is always Heavenly Nectar. I love this one so much.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold?
I'm going to put scent boosters in this medium-sized one here, and then I've got my tumble dryer sheets in this perfectly sized little storage box, which was actually from the Home Edit.
Alright.
Now I'm going to label my jars. These handy little labels are from a shop that I found on Etsy. I will link it below for you as well. So each of these jars is going to have a cute little matching label.
Closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we
This lovely bamboo tray was also from B&M, and I'm going to use this to store all of the jars. So I'm just going to arrange them onto this tray in a way that they all fit on together.
If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
I'm just going to add a little reed diffuser in the corner here.
Tell me what.
And I thought it would make it so much more cozy and homey if I added a little lamp in the corner. I found this lamp in B&M, and I thought it matched the natural sort of bamboo of everything else in the utility room. So I'm just going to team that with a cute little photo frame with the boys and a little artificial plant from IKEA. Next up, I have this little black wall hook that I'm just going to insert into the wall here, and I have a lovely feather duster that is going to be hanging from this hook.
I wanna stay.
Again, this feather duster is from B&M, much like everything else. You may have seen it in my recent B&M haul. I love it.
I promise I won't leave.
Oh guys, I was so excited to put down this jute rug that I also found in B&M. I thought it would look so cozy, but it was too big, so I'm gonna have to put it somewhere else or take it back, which is really disappointing, but it still looked really cute just for the time. So there you go, that is my utility room reset. I am so much happier with it compared to how it looked just an hour ago. I'm so pleased with the end result. Feels nice and cozy and homey in here, and I feel like I'm really making the most of the space, storing my fruit and veg out here as well because we're a bit limited for space in the kitchen. So it's just a really clever way to use the extra space.
All your love, give me all your love.
Guys, I can't thank you enough for watching my latest video. I have linked everything that I can in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in my next video.
All your love, give me all your love.